Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited that you're here. If today is your very first time coming here, my name is Jenny Roy. I'm super excited to have you as a friend, and yeah, just keep checking it out. So today I just want to quickly give my side of the vision boards. And has it been good? Has it worked? Is it good? Is it something that you need to try? Basically trying to answer, trying to encourage, or maybe tell you what to do. So, vision boards are actually biblically backed. They're actually in the Bible for the Christian, that is. And you can check it out from Habakkuk chapter 2, verse 2 to 3. You can read it on your own and just get the understanding why you need to have a vision board. So, like I said, before that, I had never done one. And I was like, what is this vision board? Is it a must? Do I need to do? Okay, all that to say, I did one this year, and I can say I saw roughly 70% come to fruition, simply because I'll say 70% because my dreams are big. Granted, and as you're rating a vision board, definitely you have to dream big. Please dream big, because it's what you desire, and you're basically telling God, who is the maker of all these things that we have and we can see, and you're telling him, I want ABCD. So don't limit yourself when you're doing a vision board. As I can say, I'll just go through it because I just don't want to share, like, tell you what, it's kind of basic, but I think it's a little bit personal for me. So I wrote about health, I wrote about me traveling and adventure, I said about investment, I said about my school. So basically I was just trying to put it out there and saying I want to do this and that and this. So about traveling, just an example, I said I wanted to go to Dubai, I said I wanted to go to Paris, which of course I did not go. However, I did travel locally, which is a good thing still. I traveled to Mkubu. Yeah, so I got to travel. And about school, I said I wanted to graduate this year. I was not able to, but I was close to graduating, simply because I did all my coursework, and that is like 80% of the work. So right now I'm doing my project as I'm about to graduate. So these are things, they kind of look basic, I know, because you're like, if you're going to school, you're going to graduate. If you're from Kenya, or if you've gone through the school system, you understand it's not always like a straightforward. There's ups and downs. From Kenya, we have strikes. We had COVID. I mean, you start your school and then COVID happens. You wanted to graduate this year, it didn't happen. You are prolonged. There's so many issues. So, in as much as it may look very basic, you're like, yeah, you went to school, definitely have to graduate. For me, I didn't take it that lightly. So I wrote it down, and I know it's something that I want God to help me do. So basically, a vision board is an expression of what you want to do or where you want to be. And I want to encourage any other person who's never done it to do it, simply because you are putting your desires there out, and they have to even scare you as well, like um, travel out of the continent, like me, maybe you, for some people, traveling out of the country is like, that's, it's a very easy thing. So do something that is, write things that you really desire, like you really want them to happen, and miracles happen, God will do it for you. So just telling you, it's a good thing to do. Yeah. I know. Yeah, so I'm super excited for this vision board of mine, because it has helped me every morning when you wake up, and put it somewhere up. I didn't put mine up, but it's advised to put it up because I didn't have a place to do it. But it's advised to put it up so that every morning you wake up, you see, these are my dreams. Yeah, I said I want to go maybe enroll for a gym. Have I done it yet? And then it is also giving you a reality check. So it's pushing you. This is what you say, Janet, you have to do, and you're going to do it. So it's a double give and take. Yeah, so basically that's it about the vision board. I want to encourage you. It's the first time, and definitely I'm gonna be building this to greater things. Like, I know the advantage of it right now, and it's also backed in the Bible. So because of all that, I am going to make it better for 2022. Yeah, so yay! Thank you. Please make one for yourself and be merry. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.